This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcake liners using parchment paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a roll of parchment paper, a pair of scissors, and a round object, such as a drinking glass or a small bowl. Additionally, have a standard muffin tin ready. These simple items are all you need to create perfect, non-stick liners for your delicious cupcakes, ensuring easy removal and a professional look. Now, let's prepare the parchment paper. Take your parchment roll and cut it into individual squares. Each square should measure approximately 5 inches by 5 inches. This size is ideal for standard-sized cupcakes. You can use a ruler and pencil for accuracy, or simply eyeball it after the first precise cut. Consistency in your square size will lead to beautifully uniform cupcake liners. With your squares cut, it's time to shape them. Invert your chosen glass or round object. Center one parchment square over the bottom of the glass. Firmly press the paper down around the base, creating creases that will form the liner's sides. Then, carefully lift the paper and place it into a cavity of your muffin tin, gently pushing it to conform to the shape. Congratulations! Your custom parchment paper cupcake liners are now complete and ready for action. Simply place them into your muffin tin, fill each one with your favorite cupcake batter, and bake as usual. These DIY liners are fantastic for preventing sticking, ensuring your cupcakes release perfectly every time. Plus, they make cleanup a breeze, leaving your muffin tin spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.